High five, Kylo. High five. High five. Alright. Other paw. Other paw. Other paw high five. Yeah, other paw. Alright. You are so smart. You're awesome. Are you my girl? Are you my girl? Are you my girl? Yeah. Best friends for life? Alright. Hey. Love you. Did I get it? I just didn't know if I was going to be on camera or not. Good girl. Good kisses. Alright. High five. Double high five. Come on. Double high five. Come on. Double high five. Come on. You can do it. Hurry up. Come on. Come on. Double high five. Come on. Come on. Alright. You get a big cookie for that. Go eat that big cookie. Crunchies. And one behind your foot. I know you smell it. Sit. You sit. You good girl. Another video cut out, but that's okay. I don't know how to sploosh videos together, but I'm not worried. The other one was good enough, but cut out. I just wanted to get a few tricks.